Okay, so we're gonna do a room tour of the 6th floor. Okay, so here's a little room tour of where we were staying at this week. Nothing fancy, just like an interior room, but honestly it was pretty good. Here's the bed. We were actually playing phase 10. Got our bags all packed up for tomorrow. It was actually pretty spacious, more than I thought it was gonna be. Got your little TV here and all of our junk. You got a closet right here with a safe and compartments here and a bunch of hangers. You got another closet here with some more hangers. And we actually stored our shoes in here. You got another closet here. And I was actually able to put all of our shorts and all that kind of stuff in here. And you got your life preservers. You might need, you never know, you might need to know the boat. And I'm gonna show y'all this right here. This was actually in our room the day we came in here. This is, I think because we did the faster to fun, I think it's why they left us on our room. So that was pretty cool that Carnival did that. But here's a little AC climate control. Behind the bed, they actually had 2 more outlets, and we'll zoom in so you can see that right over there. And also had to switch for lights. You get your 2 drawers here, tables. Come in here, and here's the bathroom. You had all your stuff in here. You got your little shower, and well, that was pretty much it in here. Like I said, it was nothing fancy, just enough to come here and sleep and rest, and that was it. You know, we had a good time on the boat and all that good stuff. But like I said, just wanted to give y'all the full room tour. That, like I said, couldn't really detail too much on it. Like I said, just a standard interior room on the 6th floor. Honestly, the only con I can say about it is I couldn't tell the difference between night and daytime. And like I woke up in the morning times and sometimes I didn't even have my phone, so if I didn't look outside, didn't know it was 8 o'clock. So I slept in a good bit. So, but from that was really my only con. From that, I really enjoyed it. Never really got rocky in the boat in here where I didn't feel like, you know, I needed a window or anything. So like that, guys, from that, it was pretty good.